Did you know that after 60, losing muscle isn't just about looking weaker? It's not about vanity. It's about something far more serious: your safety, independence, and quality of life. Many seniors quietly struggle with this. One day, carrying groceries feels harder. Standing up from a chair takes longer. Climbing stairs suddenly requires holding the rail for support. And what are we usually told? Take more protein, buy a better shake, try this powder. But here's what shocked researchers and doctors. In real-world studies, older adults regained strength faster with simple, everyday foods costing just $1 compared to expensive protein powders they'd been using for years. No hype, no flashy labels, just real, natural foods your body truly recognizes. If you're over 60 or caring for someone who is, this video could help you stay stronger, steadier, and independent for longer. Stick with me. What you're about to hear may change how you think about building muscle naturally.
Disclaimer. Before using any food or making major changes to your diet, please consult your doctor or healthcare provider. This video is for educational purposes only. 1. Greek yogurt. What most seniors don't realize is that Greek yogurt is one of the most powerful, natural muscle-building foods you can eat without spending a fortune. Researchers at McMaster University found that seniors who ate Greek yogurt daily maintained more muscle mass even during periods of lower activity compared to those relying on protein powders. Why is Greek yogurt so effective? It's all about casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles for up to 7 hours after you eat it. As we age, our muscles become resistant to protein. Short bursts aren't enough. Greek yogurt provides a steady stream of amino acids, keeping your muscle repair active long after your meal. It's also rich in leucine, an amino acid proven to trigger muscle growth, and contains live probiotics that improve digestion and nutrient absorption, something powders can't replicate. How to eat it? About 3/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt 30 minutes before your main meal. Add a drizzle of honey and a few fresh berries. The honey helps shuttle protein into your muscles, and the berries reduce post-meal inflammation. For a stronger combo, layer yogurt with crushed walnuts and sliced banana. Walnuts provide omega-3s and bananas provide potassium. Both aid circulation and reduce stiffness. Pro tip: let yogurt sit at room temperature for 10 minutes before eating. This activates live cultures, making it easier to digest for older adults with lower stomach acid. It's simple, natural, effective, and cheaper than a cup of coffee. Next up, canned sardines. Don't underestimate these tiny fish. They're muscle-rebuilding powerhouses. For just over $1 per can, sardines give you 23 grams of protein plus vitamin D, which most seniors are dangerously low in. Low vitamin D weakens muscles, slows recovery, and increases fall risk. A study from the University of Western Australia showed that seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week improved grip strength by 28% in just 2 months, better results than most resistance training programs. Sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce muscle inflammation and help your body use protein more effectively. Unlike powders, they also supply calcium, B12, and selenium, nutrients your muscles recognize instantly. How to eat sardines. Mash with half an avocado and a squeeze of lemon. Spread on whole grain crackers. Always choose sardines with bones. They're soft, safe, and loaded with calcium.
Eat within 2 hours after light activity like walking or gardening for maximum muscle protein synthesis. If the flavor is strong, mix with mustard, hot sauce, or capers. The taste disappears, the benefits stay. Sardines may be small, but they're a true nutrient bomb for strength and recovery. Number 3. Whole eggs. For decades, we were told to throw away the yolks, but research from the University of Connecticut flips that advice. Whole eggs trigger 40% more muscle protein synthesis than egg whites alone. The yolk contains vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and a compound called phosphatidic acid, which activates mTOR, the master switch for muscle growth. This pathway becomes harder to stimulate with age, which is why seniors often lose muscle even with enough protein. In a 12-week study, older adults eating 3 whole eggs daily gained almost twice as much lean muscle as those using protein shakes with equal protein. And their cholesterol levels improved, showing that natural fats don't harm the heart when combined with real nutrients. How to cook for muscle. Soft boiled or poached, whites cooked, yolk slightly runny. Pair with tomatoes or bell peppers to increase iron absorption by up to 300%, boosting oxygen to muscles. Eat within 30 minutes of waking to jumpstart muscle synthesis, especially with light morning movement. Optional, scramble with spinach and whole grain bread. Spinach nitrates improve blood flow, delivering nutrients efficiently. 4. Black beans. Black beans, costing less than 50 cents per cup, are often overlooked, but they're a muscle-preserving superfood. Harvard researchers found that seniors eating beans daily had higher growth hormone and IGF-1 levels, both critical for maintaining muscle after 60. Their strength and endurance even matched people 20 years younger. Black beans provide 15 grams of protein, fiber, and resistant starch, which feeds gut bacteria. A healthy gut communicates directly with muscles, regulating growth, energy, and hormones, a connection called the gut-muscle axis. How to eat them? Soak overnight with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to improve protein absorption. Cook slowly with bay leaves and cumin to reduce gas and improve digestion. Mix with brown rice in a 1-to-1 ratio for complete protein. Add lime juice and cilantro. Vitamin C improves iron absorption by up to 400%. Black beans provide sustained amino acids for hours, making them perfect for lasting strength and energy. Number 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese might seem simple, but it's a muscle-rebuilding powerhouse, especially for those over 70. Florida State University researchers discovered that older adults eating 1 cup before bed gained 60% more muscle than those using protein shakes. Why it works? Casein protein digests slowly, feeding muscles for up to 8 hours while you sleep. It contains conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which helps preserve lean tissue. It's rich in calcium, twice as effective for muscle function as supplements. How to eat? Mix 1 cup of full-fat cottage cheese with ground flaxseed and berries before bed. For post-workout, blend with pumpkin puree and a dash of cinnamon. Pumpkin repairs muscles, cinnamon improves nutrient absorption. Let sit at room temperature 15 minutes for better digestibility. Optional, add a small serving of pineapple. Bromelain helps protein digestion and reduces inflammation. Let's recap. These 6 $1 foods: Greek yogurt, sardines, whole eggs, black beans, Cottage cheese and lentils rebuild muscle faster than most protein powders, backed by real science. Greek yogurt feeds muscles for hours. Sardines, omega-3s plus vitamin D for recovery. Whole eggs activate muscle growth naturally. Black beans balance hormones and sustain energy. Cottage cheese rebuilds overnight. Lentils renew aging muscle cells. Remember, before making any major diet changes, always consult your doctor. Every senior's body is unique. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share with family or friends over 60, subscribe to Feel Fresh 360, and turn on notifications to never miss a senior health tip. Thank you for watching, caring about your health, and being part of our growing community of strong, informed seniors. Stay active, stay strong, and take care of yourself.